Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and Tiny Arm is here today. I hooked her to a big heart so that I wouldn't lose her. She kept going missing. Now she can't hide. Her Majesty is with us once again. I'm showing you my journaling for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of this week in May. So get out your journals or a planner or something and let's just do it together. I actually remembered to wrap the edge of my page in the washi before I started journaling, so that's a good omen for the session, if you ask me. I've been wrapping the edges of my papers in washi tape for the days that we've been at home, isolating or quarantining or whatever. And my friend Jamie sent me these little strips of, I don't know where they're from, but I love them. They're like just funny sayings and stuff. And so I've used a lot of them in my journaling for this couple of days. This was just a lot of stickers. Let's see, on Tuesday, we talked about it. I was just MIA, just follow the trail of fruit snack wrappers and you'll find Emily at the bottom of the pile. Underneath the covers, binge watching YouTube, random stuff, you guys. Personal rings, planner setups. I was in deep, and there was no getting me out. But, you just have to have those days sometimes. So, I pulled a lot of stickers from, I think these are all Happy Planner stickers, maybe? And then some from an American Crafts book. I loved the stable as a place where horses live. And then I put the little, carousel unicorn horse underneath. That one is from an American Crafts. I think the Maggie Holmes book, maybe. And then I put a sticker at the bottom, just keep going. And I love that little, crying cactus. That was me, a crying cactus. So I had just gotten a little message about how I journal for the days when I'm feeling down without just making it worse. To be quite honest, if I'm having a bad day, I rarely have the fortitude to actually get in my journal. So it's typically a few days later when I'm just kind of catching up. And then I can usually look at it with a little bit of a lighter lens. So I just kind of record what happened and, try and throw in some encouragement if I can for myself. And then slap a heart on it. What else can we do? So I told you guys that Tuesday was just I was a wreck. So that was it. So I put in a just keep going and we turned the page. I had put in that choose happy sticker because I saw it and I definitely was making a concerted effort on Wednesday to choose my mood a little bit better. I loved that piece of collage, make your bed every day. I've been trying to do that, you guys. I get up and make our bed and then go and pick up the kids' rooms, kind of make their beds. I know they should be doing it. I know. But it just kind of cleans things up and just sets the tone to start being productive and be in a good mood. So I don't know. And then I put in that little Happy Mail sticker and one of the shape stickers to record that I had opened a package from Jamie. And then this little kid I've had in my collage stash forever, and it was so funny. This was the perfect day because my poor Henry, he is such a darling. He is lazy as hell, though. He's just like his mother, and he loves to play video games, and he loves to read, and, he's just a tall, skinny kid. Athletics is not really his game. But I convinced him that it would be a great idea to come for a bike ride with Addie and I. I am not kidding you when I say he complained the entire time. He complained from the minute his butt hit that bicycle seat until the minute we rolled in home. I think at one point he was actually even crying. I didn't even know it was possible to cry on a bicycle. I thought, but I mean, bicycling is a happy activity. He's like,
this is awful. My legs are tired. There's probably murder hornets out here. Oh, this is terrible.
so all I could do was laugh, really. I mean, to be fair, his bicycle is too small for him, so he needs a new bike. So maybe that was making it more difficult. But then we looked online for new bicycles, and there's like a bike shortage, I guess, in this country, which is, I don't know, maybe that means that we're all like putting down our freedom fries long enough to get on a bike. Are you proud of us, Europe? Maybe? No? I know, we're still awful. We're like the Regina George of nations. I want to lose 3 pounds. Oh gosh. The highlight, though, was we went through a tunnel. There's a tunnel on our bike ride that we go through. And I did get him to smile because it echoes. So we went through and I went,
boobs, 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 boobs.
I mean, that's a surefire way to make an almost 10-year-old laugh, is to say boobs. So that was funny. There is the squishy avocado that Jamie sent me. And I absolutely love it. Oh my God, you guys, I can't decide where to put it. I absolutely love it. And then I put a little cat Paige flag that actually I think she sent me a while ago too. I think those are from her. It's the rocket boot cat to signify me rocketing out of my own bullshit. So, and then I found in the season sticker books, I think these are supposed to be like gumdrops or something, but to me they signify fruit snacks. Because Wednesday I was still into the snacks pretty heavy. I'm not gonna lie. It was a bit of a recovery. Oh, and that's a car Addie made for her little ninjas, whose names are Bob, Jeff, and Burrito. I don't know, you guys. So I just loved the collage that I put in for Wednesday. The 4 most beautiful words in our common language. I told you so. Because we got home and Henry was like, my back hurts. And I think I twisted my ankle. It was a terrible idea. I told you. Oh, bless him. So anyways, hopefully we'll find a bike that is his size and I'll convince him to go again. Maybe. And then let's see, for Thursday, I put in that little makeup mirror thing because Addie, before she got in the shower, she's like, since I'm going to get in the shower, do you mind, maybe I could just, put on some makeup, because she loves to play with makeup. So I was like, well, go crazy. You're just going to get in the shower anyway. So she was in there with all of my makeup, putting all of my makeup on, and it was just funny to watch. She was like muttering to herself, oh, well, mascara, I'm going to need that. What color blush do I want? I don't know if I want a gloss or a lipstick. Should I do a cat eye? Oh, my 7-year-old does a better cat eye than I do. Not that I ever rock a cat eye, but at any rate. It was kind of funny, and I used my Goro Goro, the like little girl cat stickers that are so funny. There's one like a little cat taking a selfie, and then I used the words, I'm a rainbow sprinkle in a vanilla world. That's definitely Addie. And then I put the LOL no, because she wants to like now do makeup all the time, and I'm like, LOL no. That's not happening. And then there was an umbrella. Oh, I forgot to add that compounded our misery on the bike ride. It started like drizzling, so it's just another reason for him to hate life. And then it was also raining on Thursday, so I put the umbrella. And then I used my shape stickers up in the corner to write that Michael's office opening got pushed back to June 1st now. Originally, he was going to go back next week, and our city is exploding with viral particles. So that's not happening. And then I put in this piece of collage. I don't know where it was from. It's like this girl catching a piece of pizza. And then I threw in some like healthy stickers from the, I think these, what are these called? Everyday Life? I'm not sure. But I love them. So I threw in like a salad and a protein shake. And then I wrote, what is the next good decision you can make? Because I love that. The book I'm reading, I'm really enjoying because that was something that really stuck with me. It's like sometimes I get wrapped up in the what's going to happen tomorrow and the next day and, a week from now, or the wedding that I want to go to next year. How am I going to eat healthy then? So I just focus on what's the next good decision you can make for yourself, and then just go through the day like that. And you're not going to win every moment, but the more moments that you do win, they compound, and you start to gain, some momentum for yourself, and the good decisions become easier to make. So I don't know. I'm really enjoying the book. I'm still reading it, but let's see. I was just journaling about how we did school as usual in the morning, and that I didn't think I was going to be able to go to work, but I did actually get called into work on Thursday, so that was nice. I got some hours in. And let's see, I think that was pretty much the end of the spread. I was throwing in some more random stickers from these. I think you can find these on Amazon. I was sent them. Maybe you can't. I'm not sure. And then I put in the little girl in a chair next to that too, because the next good decision, it's not about food. It's not always about food. It's not, it's anything that moves you forward in the direction of the life that you want to live. So whether it's overspending or overextending yourself in commitments, whatever, sometimes the next good decision you can make is to sit down and not do anything for a while. Or to, like put down your credit card for a second and let it breathe, let it cool off. It's just a broader reaching than just food. So, and then I was just adding hearts basically because that's what I do. Around here, there's a tiny arm attached to a heart, and I just put hearts on everything. If you're new. So basically that's my journaling, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it and that you did something that you enjoy while you watched. I hope that you find some joy in today, whether that's riding your bike. I wish you no tears on your bike ride. And, or just a nice quiet day, whatever the next good decision you can make for yourself is. And I will see you guys soon. Keep our chins up. We got to. Bye.